Hi, if you need to enable notifications for different apps on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then open Settings. Here, go in the Notifications tab and select the first app Add Notifications. Now you can see enabled notifications and disabled. Also, you can check this filter here and switch to the most recent, for example, and check this list. Let's select all, and after that, to enable notifications for the Chrome, for example, we just need to tap on the switcher, and also we can select this tab overall, and here choose alerts, allow sound and vibration, or switch to the silent, and after that select the notification type. We can do it for each of the app. To disable notifications, just simply tap on the switcher and it will be disabled. Also, you can see here these three dots, and it is to show system apps. Just tap it and you will see all of your system applications. And tap it again to hide. And now you can search manually for any app you want. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.